Hello friends, today I am going to start with exercise 11.2. Not going to start, actually I am going to continue already half of the questions we have done in our earlier class. So again let me start with the reverse order. So I am going to start with question number 11. One figure is already given in the textbook, dimensions are given in the textbook, and one thing is given, this width is same on all the four sides. This width, this and this is same. Okay, inner and outer dimensions are given, that already I have written with the figure. So we need to find out area of each part. So suppose this one is A1 and this is A2. This area and this area will be same. This area and this area will be same. So our work to find out two areas. This is A1 and this is A2. Okay. So for this is a trapezium. This is also a trapezium. What is the formula for trapezium? Half into height in bracket parallel sides, sum of parallel sides, this side and this side. So the total length it is given 28 and this much is given 20. See, this is 20 and total length is 28 and this width is same. So 28 minus 20 will give you 8. So 8 will be divided in two parts. So this much part will be 4, this much part will be 4 centimeter. How do we write down? How to find out your height? So 28 minus 20 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because these two heights, this width is same. So 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. So we got the height over here. How much is the width? 4 centimeter. Now we will start solving sum. So A1 part, what is the area of A1 part? This is trapezium. So half into height in bracket sum of parallel sides B1 plus B2. So just substitute the value. Your height will be here 4 and in bracket 16 and this another length is 24. So next step, you can cut the numbers over here. So 2 multiplied by 16 plus 24 will give you 40 and 2 multiplied by 40 will give you 80 and all the units are in centimeter. So unit of area will be centimeter square. This is two-dimensional figure, length and breadth. So power will be 2 centimeter square. Now we will find out for A2. Again your formula will be same because this is also trapezium. So into height in bracket sum of parallel side, that is B1 plus B2. Substitute the values. Value of height will be same because width is same everywhere. So here your B1 will be 20 and the another one will be 28. Again, sorry, here I am supposed to write down 4. So you can cut the numbers. So this is 2. Add this number 20 plus 28 will give you 48. And when you will multiply by 2, you will get 96 centimeter square. So same way we can say that all the four areas will be 80 centimeter. This is 96 centimeter square. This is also 96 centimeter square. Next question I am going to do question number 10. So just a minute. Question number 10. Yeah. What is given in question number 10? There is a pentagon. One pentagon is given over here. This is. And you are supposed to find out the areas. We can divide this pentagon in two different ways. So similarly, two girls, they are there. One is Jyoti and one is Kavita. So this is your Jyoti's diagram. Jyoti's diagram. How she has divided this pentagon? She has drawn one line over here. So this way she has divided into two trapezium. One pentagon is divided among two trapezium and you need to find out area of this figure. So let me write down here all the dimensions. This is perpendicular already given. So this total length is 15. So now this will become 7.5 and this will also become 7.5 because we have divided into equal parts. This is given 15 and one more, the total length it is given 30. So we need to find out the area. Since this is a trapezium, again your formula will be half into height in bracket sum of two parallel sides. Okay. So since this is 2 times the same area, we are going to solve 2 times. So we will multiply by 2. The total area will be multiplied by 2. Why multiply by 2? Once again, I am finding area of only one part. Since these two parts are equal, so same area we will multiply by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Your height, how much height is given here? 7.5 in bracket B1 plus B2. So one length is 15 and another length is 30. This is 30. So multiply this 7.5 multiplied by add this 45. When you will multiply this, your answer will be 337 and all the units are in meter. So answer will be meter square, 337 meters square. Now we will see that how Kavita has divided the figure, same pentagon. So now next one is Kavita's diagram. Next one is Kavita's diagram. How she has divided. Same pentagon is given over here and she has divided like that. So again this is 15. So this is also 15. This is also 15. Since the total length from here to here, this total length is given 30 and this much is 15. So definitely this height will be again 15. Okay. So now we will start solving the sum. Now here you will get this one triangle. And here this is your square. So we need to find the total area. So total area will be area of the triangle plus area of the square. So I am writing here, you can give name A, B, C, D and E. So you can write down area of triangle AED plus area of quadrilateral, that is square, ABCD. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Half into base into height. And what is the area of the square? Side square. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. What is the base for this triangle? Definitely base is 15. And how much is the height? Height is again 15. Plus side square. Side is 15 square. Okay. So now you can cut the number. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14 and this 7.5. Multiply these two numbers, so you will get 112.5 and 15 square. Everybody knows this is 225. Even you can do that also, 225 divided by 2, half of 225, then also you will get the same answer. Now add these two, so 337.5. Again your units are in meter, so your total area will be 337.5 meters square. If you have any confusion, first step you can find out area of triangle, second step you can find out area of square, and at last you can add both the areas to get the total area of the given figure. This is your choice how you want to solve. Now next is question number 9. So question number 9, again one figure is given. So let me draw figure. Till then you can read the question. Actually this line is not given. This I have drawn. I will draw afterwards. Okay. So here it is given. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. This is regular octagon. Regular octagon means all the sides, length of all the sides will be equal. Regular means sides are always equal. Shown in the figure, find the area of the octagon surface. You need to find out total area. So what information is given in the textbook? This diagram is already given. So this is given 4 meter. This length is given 5 meters. Since this is octagon, this is also 5. This will be also 5. So all the sides will be of 5 meters. And then here the total length, here it is given 11 meter. Okay. So what I am doing, I am drawing here one more line so that this octagon I have divided in three parts. This is trapezium, and the middle one is the rectangle. So this way we can find out the area. Yeah, last question I have solved with the common area. Now here I am trying to tell you how can you find out different areas and you can add. So my A1, this is your trapezium. Okay. So what is the formula for trapezium? Half into height in bracket sum of parallel sides. So just substitute the value. Height is given 4 and B1 this is 5 and this length is 11. So you can cut the number, 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 11 plus 5 will give you 16. So this is 32 and the units are in centimeter, not meter. So this is centimeter square. So for trapezium we got the value 32 centimeter square. So same way this is also 32 centimeter square. A3 and A1 area is same. So now we will find out area of second one, that is rectangle. The second figure is rectangle. So what is the formula for rectangle? Length into breadth. How much length is given? 11 and how much breadth is given? 5. So this will give you 55 meter square. Sorry, centimeter square. Okay. So now we will find out, this is your 55 centimeter square. So we will find out total area now. So what will be the total area? A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1 it is given 32 centimeter square. A2 that is rectangle we found 55 centimeter square and A3 again 32 centimeter square. Add all the numbers, you will get 119 centimeter square. So this is the way figure we can divide in small figure whose area, whose formula of how to find out area we know, and then we add the area of different figures and we combine all the areas to find the total area. Now next is question number 8. Make start. The question is little bit different. So again first let me draw figure. Figure is already given in the textbook. This height is given 100 meter. And what other information is given? The area it is given over here 10500 meter square. You need to find out the area and it is given these parallel sides are double of each other. So if this is x, so definitely the next length will be 2x. You can give name over here A, B, C, D. So you can start, let AB is equal to x, therefore CD will be 2x. Okay. So again we can find out the area. What is the formula for area? Since this is a trapezium, half into height in bracket sum of parallel side. So half, how much height is given here? 100 and in bracket x plus 2x, and how much area is given here? So we will write down area also. Now you can cut the number, this will become 50. So 10500. You can do calculation at last also and you can do calculation side by side. Now I have cut the number, 50 is in multiplication. So left hand side the 50 will come in division. In bracket you will get 3x. X plus 2x will be 3x. You can cut the numbers again, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and this 210. So next step, this 3 is in multiplication, so 3 will come in division. Again you can cut the number, 3 7s are 21 and this, so x is equal to 17. So what is the length? Length is given 70 meter. Whenever units are given, writing unit is compulsory. You are supposed to find the length of the trapezium. So now the last question of this exercise, that is question number 7. What is given in question number 7? The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles. So total number of tiles. The way you are reading question, whatever information you are getting, write down. This will consider as a statement. 3000. Which are rhombus shape. So what shape is given over here? Rhombus. Diameters are also given. Each of the diagonals, sorry, not diameters, diagonals 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So one you can say 45 centimeter and D2 diagonal, this is 30 centimeter. You need to find out the cost. So cost is equal to question mark and rate here given rupees 4 per meter square. One thing here, meter square is given and this is given in centimeter. So to find out the cost, we need to find out area, and area we will convert into meter square so that we can use this rate. Okay. So shape is given rhombus. So what is the formula to find out area of a rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. If you don't remember the formula, again just draw one small rhombus there, draw one diagonal, and this diagonal is D1. Okay, so now you are getting this two triangle. So suppose this is your AO and this is your OB. So area of the triangle half into D1 and in bracket you will get OA. Similarly for this triangle, half into D1 will be common, so OA plus OB, and this is your another diagonal, so this is D2. So this is the way. Always create formula with the question. Don't try to mug up and don't try to write, otherwise you may do mistake. Okay, so we got the area. Now substitute the values. D1 it is given 45 and D2 is given 30. Cut the number. When you will multiply, you will get here 675. Units are given centimeter. So this is the area of one tile. So you need to find therefore area of 3000 tiles. Area of 3000 tiles. So you will multiply by 3675 into 3000 will give you here 2025 and 00 centimeter square. One more zero is there. Since this is given in meter square, you will convert into meter square. How to convert into meter square? We will divide by this and the area will be meter square. Cut this 3 zeros and cut here 3 zeros and your answer will be 202.5 meter square. So we have converted area into meter square. Now the last part, here you need to find out the cost. How to find cost? Cost is area into rate. So how much area we got here? 202.5 meter square, and into rate. Rate is given here rupees 4 per meter. Since this is cost, so your unit will be rupees. Multiply these two numbers and your answer will be 810. So your answer is 810. Let me explain you this part once again, because many students, they are doing something wrong here. Since the units are given in centimeter and rate is given in meter square, so this area we will convert into meter square. Your area is this much centimeter square. How to convert into meter square? We need to divide by 100 into 100, that is 1 with 4 zeros. So same thing I have written 1 with 4 zeros. So once you convert it into meter square, it's very easy to find out the cost. Thank you so much for watching today's video.